In wave optics, YDX experiment, the most important point is it should be a monochromatic light having same lambda and frequency, and D by lambda ratio should be less than 1. Another thing is in YDX experiment, we get a phase difference which is equals to 2 pi by lambda into delta x, and delta x is what? Path difference. Due to this path difference, the light is traveling here. We are getting other interference fringes of waves. So according to that, we get constructive interference and destructive interference, in which for constructive interference, we are getting a phase difference as 2n pi, and we are getting the y in distance of interference fringes, bright fringes at n lambda d by d. And for destructive interference, we are getting interference fringes for darkness at 2n minus 1 lambda d by d. The path difference that we have to calculate is delta x is equals to d sine theta, which is approximately equals to d tan theta. The most important part is here, in which JEE main questions, they make a tricky question in which we cannot use this relation. We have to directly calculate first this, then this. Point to be noted. In tricky questions, we have to consider this first. Okay. Thank you.